Alright, welcome back, and the project that I'm gonna show you in this video is likely going to hundreds of millions of market cap. And after you see and after I show you what I think about the project, you might think the same. And before we start this video, remember I'm not a financial advisor and this video is only for educational and entertaining purposes. Always do your own research, and remember, when we are talking about altcoins, small cap projects, mid cap projects, always do your own research, because I only show you what I do, right? So the project that we're gonna speak today is Agoric, and this is a platform for creating and deploying dApps, decentralized applications, but by using JavaScript. And only that makes it huge. Imagine in creating apps, decentralized apps on the blockchain by using JavaScript. This opens a gate to hundreds of thousands of developers. JavaScript, one of the biggest programming language, even though I'm not into programming, even though I don't know how to program, and I'm not that technical as probably most of you watching the video as well. But everyone knows about JavaScript, everyone knows about Java, and it opens doors once again to hundreds of thousands of developers to create decentralized apps on Agoric. And especially in the time when now, as you all know, there are some limitations in mass adoptions because of the difficulties that people have when they join crypto, multiple unnecessary messages on their private wallets, etc. And makes it so easy now that developers can create and build and skip all these parts by for example, orchestration. They build on Cosmos ecosystem, and their token is currently at 33 million market cap. They are in the biggest centralized exchanges, HDX, Gate.io, CoinEx, etc. And current volume, daily volume, is around 160k. There's 50 million full diluted market cap. Coming to their tokenomics, you can see this on their main website, agoric.com/economy, and it shows you the public sale 7%, advisors 3%, early contributors, network decentralization, operations, foundation, private sale. So there was 12.5%. BLD been to the 12.5 for the 2-year or 4-year monthly vesting with 1 year cliff. So pretty long cliff, which is good, of course. Early blockers 11.4%. Community ecosystem 5.5%. The total supply is this amount, so 1,060,000,000 BLD tokens, and this is as for Q4 2023, so it might be different now. What is the current circulation supply? So Q4 2023, once again, it might be different now, and CoinMarketCap could show a bit different data. Orchestration API basically allows the developer to build multi-chain across the different blockchains. If you click start building, if you're a developer, you might be interested in checking this out as well. Orchestration docs as well. You have all the key concepts and API details. Walk through the contract, cross-chain unbound example for builders. The whole build section, this is on Gitebook. You have entire tutorial. You might need tutorials. This is something especially for developers, you might need to see tutorials, but they've prepared these videos into sell concert ticket, but they've made these videos to show you step by step on the tutorial section. So if you're interested, as you can see, there are all these videos showing you, which is great. UI tutorial as well, Agoric basics. You can learn it here, and there will be always a need for blockchain developers, especially if you know about orchestration. There is a video getting started with Agoric, shows you step by step as well. So it's not that I think, I'm pretty sure that this is going to be a great future and a great knowledge to have for upcoming years, even tens of years on the market. I'm going to leave you a link in the description to the site. It's docs.agoric.com, and you can see the full documentation here. Now, a few tweets that are interesting to me. Those are, for example, this one: transferring assets across the blockchain Web3 technology is slow and complex. Traditional cross-chain transfers, for example, USDC, can take over 20 minutes. Now Agoric does it 10x faster. Transfers from EVM to Cosmos. Transactions onboard between different chains. And here's the entire article showing you that, Agoric simply makes it 10x faster, cheaper, and easier using Cosmos and using rapid cross-chain transfers. So if you want to be part of something that, simply improves and increases mass adoption, increases technology, dApps creation, Agoric is the place to be. Orchestration API is now live on the mainnet. That was on 8th of October 2024, so roughly around 2 months ago. Build the impossible orchestration app now is mainnet. Even new protocol has been commenting on them. Native network will integrate, that was on October 22nd, Agoric orchestration API to bring the native Bitcoin to your favorite Cosmos wallets. Another interesting thing, that was on 26 November 2024. Skip protocol fast launch, letting users bridge access to Cosmos in seconds. So by using Skip protocol, you can bridge to Cosmos in seconds. One of their flagship products is Alice Network, and this is liquidity management and also seamless staking across different blockchains. So leave them a follow. It might be interesting. You know, usually, let's say we're gonna see a start of a trend. If you are in crypto for long enough, you know that if Agoric and when Agoric starts to pump, all their, you know, flagship projects, they start to pump as well. This is simply the scheme that happens. Those are DeFi projects that will ever, you know, exist, because like simply you cannot stop them. You know, you might have these waves of hype like now on Solana, meme coins, or whatever, AI agents, but you know, DeFi projects will always defend themselves. It simply works. You know, it's not centralized. It simply works. That's why I'm telling you that these projects are undervalued now, because it's not loud about them now, because, you know, there is buzz around AI agents, buzz around meme coins, but once people get back into DeFi, those projects will be like Agoric, will be big again. Another of their flagship projects is Noble XYZ, and this is to speed up cross-chain USDC transfers. So once again, now it's Noble Express now supports Ledger, the biggest wallets in crypto wallets in the world. And that's the website Express Noble XYZ, and that's also using orchestrated contracts. Think of it now, like recently USDT has been banned, and USDC gained a lot of traction thanks to that. This is the year of Trump. This is the year of the US and crypto adoption in the US. USDC is going to be the first one and the main stable coin, and it will simply stay like that. And you know, for this reason, you're gonna need Express and orchestrated transfers, and this is what Noble Express does. Multi-chain liquidity, this is their another feature. There's IBC market cap 59 billion, IBC DAU 230k, and here, you know, blog posts about Noble. So check this out. Also interesting update you might find as always on their Twitter. You know, 8 hours ago they updated a community connect, Dejan Tribble and Roland Grouse. So you can see it's all updates. They've been posting huge amount of content, and you know, they build, they simply don't stop, you know, no matter what market there is, but you can see how much content and how much they build. So that's it. Them a follow, or all the links to Agoric are in the description. Check this out. Will be interesting to see how they perform, because they are now at 30 million market cap only, right? 30 million market cap only. Considering their products, there's a huge potential. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one, and let me know in the comment section if you have any questions about Agoric, and I'll update you. Bye bye.